What is up, investors? Jason here. In this video, we're going to be talking about these blockchain mining stocks. I'm talking about Marathon Digital, Riot Blockchain, CleanSpark, HUD8, HIVE Blockchain, etc. These ones that I'm going to be talking about in this video are ones that I've been following for a while, so I have a good history of talking about them. And I feel like it's a good time to actually talk about them right now because we have seen the price of Bitcoin drop quite significantly. And of course, that is taking a major effect on these blockchain mining stocks. Now, of course, like all my videos, they're not financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. But I really do like these stocks in particular, and I do like enjoying talking about them. So as we do get to it, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor because it helps out this channel a lot. And that is if you smash, destroy, annihilate, or gently press that like button. Helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, helps spread the videos, more people might find it interesting, and subscribe if you have not already. Now, what all these blockchain mining stocks are mining is they're mostly mining Bitcoin and Ethereum, and well, Bitcoin and Ethereum have not been having too much luck lately. Currently, the price of Bitcoin is below $42,000, and it's having a lot of resistance at the price of $42,000. Luckily, it is holding pretty well for the past couple of days, around $41,000, and hopefully we'll see it moving back on track upwards. That'd be very beneficial to the blockchain mining stocks, but this is the scenario that is going on. So we've seen just a dramatic drop since November on into now with the price of Bitcoin, and Ethereum isn't any better because, well, we've seen Ethereum on a big decline, and currently Ethereum is holding a support at around $3,000, but you can see that the price recently has dropped off pretty fast coming into 2022. So it hasn't really been that great of a year for crypto, and the entire crypto market in general has really wiped out a lot of the gains that it had made in the months of October and November. Now, looking over at these blockchain mining stocks, and starting first with Marathon Digital, you can see that it has really transitioned a lot from where Marathon Digital was at their high back on November 9th or November 10th. Around there, we were seeing their stock above $80, and currently we're seeing the stock now, just a couple months later, priced a little bit under $29. So a big difference in the price of Marathon Digital stock, and one of the big reasons is, and this isn't just because the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum have dropped, where Marathon Digital actually only mines Bitcoin, but it was actually because they announced convertible notes, and that is actually what had hurt their stock to begin with. They had made an announcement that they were going to raise $650 million. Now, to think things over to Riot Blockchain, ticker symbol RIOT, in November, we were seeing Riot stock trade for around $46 a share, and now we're seeing Riot stock trade for around $20 a share. And a very similar situation with Marathon Digital. Riot Blockchain stock, we were to compare it from its high back in February of 2021. We were seeing Riot stock upwards around $79 at that time, and as you can see, it hasn't been able to get close to that number at any time since then. Now, Riot does have plans to grow their business even more. They did recently announce that they're going to be purchasing 18,000 more mining rigs for a total of $202.9 million. So they will be expanding their mining abilities in 2022. So that's something to look forward to, and hopefully things do go well with that. Now, for these smaller blockchain miners like HUD8 Mining, a ticker symbol HUT, HUT. Now, in their case, their stock price in the beginning of November was trading for around $16.50, and now we're seeing HUT stock price around $6.60 at the time of making this video. So they've also had a very dramatic drop in their price, and it goes to show how much the price of Bitcoin really does influence these blockchain miners, because we didn't see Bitcoin drop more than half of its value, but these blockchain miners, though, the price of their stock has done so, and that's a big difference between owning Bitcoin and these blockchain miners. And that doesn't mean necessarily that there's anything bad with owning these blockchain miners. It depends on how you want to play them. If you're into a long-term buy and hold strategy, it's more than likely just better to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially at these prices currently that we're seeing Bitcoin drop to. But if you're someone that is looking to make short-term gains on trading the markets with Bitcoin and Ethereum, well, then you can know that these blockchain mining stocks, they're going to change their value very quickly at a much shorter time than it would take Bitcoin to do so. Now, we'll also see these same patterns across the board for our HIVE blockchain, for example, another penny stock here, and for Argo blockchain, where we've seen the same thing with their stock dropping about half its value, Bitfarms, etc. It's the same scenario. Now, currently, I'm not holding any shares of any of the blockchain miners at this moment, but like I said a minute ago, I do like buying them for short-term trading. They're really easy. If Bitcoin was to move, say, 10% over a couple of days, you could possibly sometimes see these blockchain miners move 20, 30%. It all depends, but they're definitely a very risky investment, and it's not something that's for anybody. So please do take that in consideration and only consider this video for entertainment purposes only. Anyways, I'd like to hear everybody's thoughts about what the blockchain miners are doing. They are all ramping up their equipment, and hopefully they will be producing a lot more Bitcoin and Ethereum as time does go on. With that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming out all the time. Thanks for watching.